Welcome to the channel. In Palworld, leather is a vital crafting material used for armor, saddles and various equipment. You cannot craft leather. Leather can be acquired by defeating or capturing specific pals such as Foxparks, Vixy, Rushoar, Noct, Fuddler, Direhowl, Melpaca, Eikthyrdeer, Nitewing and more. See full list in the video description. Leather farming is possible by repeatedly hunting pals that drop leather. In early game, you can visit this area to hunt pals to get the leather. For example, this is Melpaca. And see, we've got 3 leather by eliminating this. Here is Mammorest. It also dropped leather, 24 leather. Okay, if you have gold, you can buy leather from merchants such as Wandering Merchant. For that, go to small settlement. This is small settlement. Here find Wandering Merchant. This is Wandering Merchant. Talk to him and buy. And here is the leather. $10 leather in 1500. So this is how you can get leather in Palworld. Okay, if you found this guide helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.